Welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to change your name on the Facebook Lite app using your phone. This is a simple process that anyone can follow. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to update your profile name quickly and safely. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. After that, select Settings. After that, click on Accounts Center to manage your profiles. Next, select your profile from the list and tap on it again. Then, find the Name option and click on it to begin editing. Now enter your new name exactly as you want it to appear. After you have typed your name, click on Review Name to check for any errors. Finally, tap on Save Changes to update your profile name on Facebook Lite. You have now successfully changed your name on the Facebook Lite app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.